Hi members of the fraternity. Today I want to introduce you to an app that pays you for something that you crumple and dump in the bin. Okay, the name of this app is Fetch Reward, and it's a perfect fit for our motto, passive earning apps. Okay, so now how does it work? This is how it works. You're from shopping and you have receipts. All you have to do is you open the app and then you head on to the blue icon, which opens the camera. And once you click it, you open it. You simply capture the receipt that you were given after you did the shopping. Once you screen that, what will happen is you'll be credited some points in no time. And these points accumulate to a point where you can actually convert them into cash and withdraw your cash via gift cards. That is Amazon gift cards, Target, mention them. That's how simple it is. If you want to check it out, head on to the description section, click the link, and then have it installed on your phone and give it a shot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.